having settled a month ago above the 149.87 one-year channel top, we have been anticipating as a 2 to 3 month objective or sooner. We'd mentioned how it could be within 3 to 5 weeks, 176.78, which is a nearly 2-year channel top that can contain buying on a monthly, possibly quarterly basis. And from 176.78, we can fall back to the 149.87 formation within several months of testing 176.78. Those who've been holding a long position may consider beginning scaling out. 175.02 is the beginning. Now, we came very close to testing that last week. 174.25 was the high, and we backed away ever so modestly into Friday. 171.54 is a soft intraday pivot point, above which that 176.78 channel top remains in reach today. But if we happen to break or open perhaps below 171.54, we have selling pressures. I don't think 165.68 is in reach today, but I will say that if we close today below 171.54, we should within a couple of days 165.68 in reach. I do think selling pressures could begin to develop now. I don't see a sign of that, but I think our earliest sign would be violating 171.54. If we close below 171.54 today, we probably have a good high for the week. 165.68 then likely within 2 to 3 days, whereby which point we could bottom out not only on a daily basis, but quite possibly through the rest of the week. That 165.68 formation able to contain selling on a daily basis. This is, after all, kind of a 3-4 week channel bottom, but I don't want to dissuade 3 to 5 day or 1 to 2 week swing traders from going long at 165.68 because we can round back up into the mid 170s again within a week or two of testing 165.68. Once we test 176.78, and all we have to do this week is test 175.02, 149.87 now in reach over the next 2 to 3 months. If we do happen to close over the next 3 to 5 days below 165.68, it is beginning to look like a good high into August. The following 2 to 3 weeks or so likely to then test 159.16 is itself a 2-month channel bottom that could contain selling into August trade, and from here we can round up into the mid 170s again within 2 to 3 to 5 weeks. If we test 175.02 over the next few days, just know that those of you who hold positions 3 to 5 weeks out to 2 to 3 months can play the short side into the upper 140s. I will say the closing below 165.68 does present 159.16. It is very stair-step on the way down, and if we were to close below 159.16, that is another 1 to 2 week sell signal into the upper 140s. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.